Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff from all the way around the world. What do we got, Rubes?
We've got a delivery from Poland. We've got stuff from the Germania Mint.
Which box do we open first?
Pick one. They are all different. This is not all the same product, but they are all of the same type. So some slightly different things. I'm super stoked with this unboxing, Michael. I'm going to get this one out of the way because I've actually done a sneaky and had a look at these already and filmed them because I was just super stoked to get into these.
Couldn't help yourself.
Couldn't wait. Could not wait.
These young millennials,
that's
unbelievable.
They've got to have it now generation.
No patience. We should be talking about this.
Yes.
So these are individually wrapped. People know what they are. So these are the runes.
These are the runes.
So they come in these individually shrink-wrapped boxes. Being Germania Mint, the packaging is exceptional.
Always elite.
So I've already scanned that one. So inside here you've got the logo with the name there, and there is no way I'm going to know how to pronounce this.
Each individual rune name on the bottom there.
A Daggers?
Dagaz.
1 ounce. Silver, 4/9 cast rune.
That's it.
So very groovy box. Oh, I love it. And then inside you've got the certificate of authenticity, which
with a bit of a spiel about what the rune is and the meaning behind it and all that kind of stuff. A little hollow on the back there.
Yep. So this is the data that the stackers will want, although the stackers probably aren't buying this because it is going to be a little bit pricier than buying a. I'm assuming it's approximately 1 ounce. I'm reading upside down. It's exactly 1 ounce. So it's absolutely going to be more than 1 ounce of silver. So stay tuned for that in a moment. But you've got the C of A there. Then they come with this groovy bag, and I better get a bit of a glove on.
Yes, although these are antiques, so it's always off to a bit of an argument as to whether you need to or not.
I'll let Matt have that argument.
But it's, I'd say, always good practice.
So you've got this beautiful bar. Their antiquing is sensational.
Yes. And there is it's a bit hard to see. If you catch the light right, you can see it, but it's got the details of what it is on the back there as well.
Yeah. And then you've got this groovy thing.
This has a bit of a party trick.
So, see if I can open this without embarrassing myself. But we actually have some genuine... Oh, this is a brand new one, Rubes. It's still in its packaging.
It's not. I just did a sneaky bit of movie magic. It is all charged and ready to go.
All right, so this is a genuine Germania Mint Blacklight. And you use this to illuminate under black light. It looks like that, and then it looks like that. And if we could kill some lights in here, actually, can we just do it like that? These are groovy as, and some of them are different colours, aren't they, Rubes?
No, they're all the same. But obviously, as you're swirling the torch around, you kind of get a little bit more light on this one versus that one.
Yeah, okay. Because I thought there was some yellows in them when we were playing around once before. No, there you go. So they come with that groovy. I don't know, what do you call it? The groovy night glowing effect.
That's it.
On these things. And they look $1 million. They really do. They're fantastic. Beautiful design, beautifully presented, beautifully packaged, but we don't expect anything else from Germania Mint. And they have all sorts of different, there's 6 different designs all up on them. So do we want to open the other 6 packages, or do we just want to show?
I say we do a bit of a here's some we prepared earlier, because I think hiding behind one of those stacks there are some we prepared earlier.
So they all come in the same packaging. It's just we couldn't help ourselves.
Yeah.
And opened these ones earlier. So I've got them upside down, haven't I? Are they both the same? No, they're not.
No, one's it's like an F with the branches going up, and one's with them going down. So that is those there.
We play with them with the light. You can see.
Yeah, so that's it. All the same colour, but kind of as you shine them all together, you kind of end up with different shades, different areas of light across them all.
These are so cool.
I'm gonna cut for a second, and I reckon we're gonna come back with them in the dark and just see how they look.
Alrighty. So even in low light, we've still got some of the studio lights on. They just they glow like it's that fire glow.
Yeah.
They just look sensational.
It almost feels like it almost fills up with magma.
Yeah,
It just
quite eerie, really.
there's something to it, and it's super cool. We actually said this on stream when we teased that we were having these, but it's unique in a world of coins, and there are some absolutely stunning designs that we see from mints all over the world. But just to have something like this, to have something like this that is just completely new and different,
It's just
you love to see it. It really brings a smile to your face. As I know, as I was filming them, it certainly gave me a. I was like, yes, this is cool.
Now, if you want to see them in all their glory, and not with just a fuddy old guy like me trying to highlight them, Ruben's actually done a reel on these, and he's done a really good job. So we'll provide a link, I don't know, up here or down there or onto the side or something like that. There'll be a link to it. So view that. It only runs for about a minute, but it's just beautiful. He's done an excellent job.
Thank you.
Have a look at the highlight on those. Now, we need to discuss price on these. So
We do.
it is 1 ounce of silver. It's 4.9 silver. It's all the good stuff, but it is not. Don't expect to pay Perth Mint kangaroo price because it's not going to happen. You're looking at $120 for each of these. So they are absolutely in the collector realm or in the artwork realm, as Matt was discussing earlier on this afternoon with us. They are definitely more of that art part of your stack, but they absolutely add a spice to your stack, add that variety that we talk about quite often where, it's not the same old boring Perth Mint bar after Perth Mint bar. This is something that is just completely different and a great talking point with, your other half or, kids or whoever you're. And I'll admit from the start, you have to be careful with who you discuss these things with.
Absolutely.
But, it encourages that interest and it just gives you those talking points and it just gives pleasure. You need to have pleasure in your stack as well as having a good investment. And I think these kind of nail it. So they are available. We had very limited numbers. Actually, they are very limited production numbers.
Yeah, I
aren't they?
believe 2,500.
It's 2.5, is it? I couldn't remember. I hadn't looked.
Per rune, I believe. We'll double check. We've
I'll
got
put
the
my eyeballs on.
we've got the evidence right here.
2,500 pieces.
Yep.
Is the grand total in existence. So we won't get these in again. These are a one-off. So if they float your boat, there's something you're after, grab them now while you can. Irrespective of spot price, they will be $120. So don't worry if spot jumps up or down. It's irrelevant on these.
Yep.
They really are moving into the collector spectrum. And I think that's it.
I think that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Let us know what you think about these down below and in the comments. And yeah, we'll have a link down there as well to pick some of these up for yourself. I think that's it.
That's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.